Welcome to Tokyo, one of the most expensive cities in the world. But what if I told you that behind me is a luxury apartment that's smaller than most hotel rooms and yet costs nearly $1,200 a month? Let's step inside Tokyo's tiniest luxury apartment. It's tiny, like 95 square feet tiny. But look at how efficient this space is. Every inch is designed to feel bigger than it actually is. The layout is simple. One main room, a compact kitchenette, a hidden bathroom, and floor-to-ceiling windows that bring in tons of light, and somehow it doesn't feel claustrophobic. Every part of this apartment has a trick. The bed folds up into the wall, turning the space into a mini living room. The desk slides out from under the stairs. Even the trash bin has its own custom slot. Despite being tiny, the materials are premium. Marble counters, stainless steel fixtures, soft close drawers, and even heated bathroom floors. There's also a smart home system that controls lighting, curtains, and temperature from your phone. So what does all this cost? Around 180,000 yen a month. That's roughly 1,200 US dollars. Not cheap by any means, but in central Tokyo, it's considered a luxury steal. So that's Tokyo's tiniest luxury apartment. Proof that in Japan, design and efficiency can turn even the smallest space into something beautiful. This tiny apartment in Manhattan costs only $650 a month. Yeah, in New York City. So what's the catch? Well, let's go find out. Most studio apartments in New York City cost upwards of $2,500, but this little unit, located in Washington Heights, rents for just $650. The entire space is about 80 square feet. That's smaller than most walk-in closets. So this is it, the whole apartment. You can literally touch both walls at the same time. It's small, but somehow it's got everything you need. Slow pans of the bed, mini fridge, microwave, small window, maybe a shared bathroom down the hall. Here's the bedroom. It's basically this twin bed. Underneath, there's a bit of storage for clothes. No closet, but you get creative. Over here, we've got a little kitchenette, mini fridge, microwave, and yes, a hot plate. The tenant says utilities are included, and the bathroom is shared with 3 other apartments on this floor. It's not glamorous, but it's functional. And the best part? The subway's 1 block away. You can get to Midtown in 20 minutes.
Subscribe button. We'll see you next week. Also, click the like button. Thanks for having me over.
Thanks for coming.
Welcome to Hong Kong, one of the densest and most expensive cities on Earth. Behind this door is what locals call a shoebox apartment, just 100 square feet, but home to a full-time designer who somehow makes it work. Let's check it out. Okay, first impression, this place is tiny. You can literally take 3 steps from the door to the window. But here's the thing, it's beautifully organized. Every centimeter has a purpose. The apartment measures just 9.5 square meters. That's smaller than an average parking space. Yet it's fully functional, stylish, and surprisingly cozy. Let's start with the living area. This couch transforms into a bed at night. Underneath, hidden drawers for clothes and books. Over here, the desk folds out from the wall and doubles as a dining table. The kitchen is compact but complete. A single induction stove, mini fridge, and a sink tucked in beside the bathroom door. Shower, toilet, sink, and smart ventilation system. Honestly, it feels more like a capsule hotel than a traditional flat. And from here, you get a view of Hong Kong's endless skyline, right from your bed. So what's the rent? Around 7,500 Hong Kong dollars a month. That's about 950 US dollars. For Hong Kong Island, that's actually considered affordable. The tenant says living here teaches you to value simplicity. You own less, but you use everything you have. And with cafes, markets, and the MTR just downstairs, you don't really need more. So that's life inside a Hong Kong shoebox apartment. Proof that creativity can make even the smallest home feel big. Would you live here? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tiny home tours from around the world. See you next time.